आँखों के पन्नों पे मैंने लिखा था 100 दफ़ा, फिर क्यों आगे तेरे हुआ न होठों से बयां, खुद से नाराज हूँ क्यों बेआवाज हूँ, मेरी खामोशियाँ है सजा। ये मैं ठीक कर लूँगा बाद में। तो ये है भाई, कितना है? No, I've been out of Bombay. I've not been. I met her at where did we meet? On Eid. We met her on Eid. Yeah. And after that, I've just been working for Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. She was a star before she even got into this line. The first thing, like I said, I told everyone that the first thing that she said कि आप मुझे अपनी तरह superstar बनाओ ना. That's the first line she said to me. And today she is there. She is doing so well for herself. She's the most loved kid on this planet right now. I think what Drew Barrymore did in E.T., I think she's beaten her in Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
Mr. Khan, so you're talking about movies, the Sholay company.
Sir Salman Khan, you said.
सलीम साहब की फिल्म शोले जो है वो 40 साल कंप्लीट कर रही है।
Yeah.
It was one of the greatest movies and great scripts written by, of course,
जी.
Salim Saab. So you can tell us something about it. How it influenced you as an actor?
About शोले।
Huh? Yeah. So when we were growing up, I remember we went to see the premiere of Sholay. Arbaz and me both went Scindia School. तो Scindia School के blazer पहन के हम लोग गए थे. I think it was Minerva या. So we went there. Huh? Yeah. So the premiere was there. So my father took us there. The first time that we ever saw a premiere of a movie. And that film, surprisingly, for 2 weeks was a huge disaster. वो पिक्चर 2 हफ्ते तक चली ही नहीं. Apparently they went to go and they went back to shoot the climax of the death of making Bachchan Saab relive in the movie and stuff like that. But then after 2 weeks the film just took it to the next level. From that film I've learned one thing, that is one film that has turned information lines into dialogues. कितने आदमी थे? He's asking कितने आदमी थे यार? But the way those lines were said, were spoken, they turned out to be dialogues, and from everyone. There were small characters. Holi kab hai? Gabbar Singh says. तुम्हारा नाम क्या बसंती? Is asked. So these lines. And then there was always something stuck in my mind that this is actually what a film is all about. And the day any of my films gets a line like स्वागत नहीं करोगे आप हमारा, isn't it? Welcome me यार, बस इतना ही. Till that time you've not achieved anything.
अगर शोले पार्ट 2 बनाया जाए तो सलमान खान कौन सा ऐसा कैरेक्टर है जो प्ले करना चाहता है शोले में?
Each and every character, even from Mac Mohan Saab to Kalia to Viju Khote, to everyone is a brilliant character. I mean, that was one of the first films जिसके record LP निकला था और हर जगह जाओ तो LP बजता था. So I think all the characters are. I don't think a film like Sholay can be made. People have tried it a lot and they have failed miserably. So let Sholay not be ever made again. जी जी. अच्छा कबीर खान थे? ओहो अच्छा. जी. So मैंने वो पिक्चर देखी नहीं है, and it'll be unfair for me to comment on the film before I've seen the film. I don't think that Kabir will ever make a wrong film. He's a very correct person. He'll not make a wrong film.
सलमान जैसे बजरंगी को यूपी में टैक्स
he believes on in right and wrong, and I don't think वो ऐसा कभी कोई गलत फिल्म बनाएगा कबीर खान.
Salman, what are the numbers that you're looking at in terms of collections since it's still running in the theaters? And also, will we see a sequel to the film in case?
No, how can you make a sequel that Namunni's come back? Huh? Huh?
Probably you do different things.
No, this is one-off. But
Salman, during Dabang, you spoke about
like Dabang, we can do sequels to. Like Dabang, we can do sequels to. Dabang, we can take it ahead. We could take it back. We could do anything with Dabang.
Dabang, you said how Ek Ka Tiger had almost crossed 3 years and then failed.
It is. This is also going to be that only looks like it. Yeah. But also remember that we release in Ramadan. We also Eid and Basi Eid came on a Saturday Sunday. So then it was like a normal week. So as far as we didn't have those Christmas holidays, we didn't have any of that stuff. So we are really grateful and we're really thankful for all the people who have come into the theaters, watched it, and I get this a lot. I mean, I go through my tweets and stuff like that, so I get a lot on Twitter. Okay, we've seen the film 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times, 10 times. We're addicted to this movie. We keep on going back. We've I've heard compliments like this that that this is the first time that I've cried because of you, and I actually enjoyed it.
सलमान, आपकी-
गाना भी अभी रिलीज हुआ है हीरो का, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? लोग काफी पसंद कर
जी।
रहे हैं गाने को।
कितना डिफिकल्ट हुआ आपको का गाना गाने में? आपको कितने टेक्स देने पड़े?
कि लोगों की जुबान पे अकबर
Honestly, ज़्यादा टेक्स नहीं थे उसके, लेकिन उसके बाद जो काम किया गया गाने के ऊपर काफ़ी काम किया गया.
सलमान-
Success of Bajrangi Bhaijaan, you also feature in the list of Forbes being one of the highest paid actors in the world. But surprisingly, everybody is saying that Shah Rukh doesn't even exist in the list. So last year he was
No, I think Shah Rukh.
but he's
Shah
not
Rukh.
in the list. He was there last year, but this time with Mr. Bachchan, you are one of the highest
You are the
paid
highest
actors in the world.
and then Akshay Kumar comes up.
I think Akshay Kumar is ahead of me. The amount of films that Akshay Kumar is doing. I mean, it's so strange. When we used to be working for 3 and 4 lakh rupees earlier, we used to be running around and doing 5, 6 films. And now our prices are slightly more than that. And we're doing 1 film. This is the time we should be running around.
सलमान,
Stable है हीरो प्रिंसिपल.
हाँ, देखो डरा हुआ तो बहुत हूँ मैं, क्योंकि इन दोनों के असली प्रोड्यूसर हैं सुनील शेट्टी और आदित्य पंचोली. दोस्त भी हैं और कोलीग्स भी हैं. अब इन दोनों बच्चों की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आ गई मेरे सर पर. तो वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू आवर बेस्ट एंड वी नॉट केयरिंग अबाउट क्या कॉस्ट है, क्या बजट है, रिकवर होगा नहीं होगा. वी नॉट वरी अबाउट दैट. वी जस्ट हमारा इंटेंशन यही है कि हम इन दोनों बच्चों को ऐसा पोर्ट्रे करें कि they become stars. That these 2 kids, फिल्म का फेथ जो भी हो, बट इंटेंशन यही है कि ये 2 बच्चे इस फिल्म से निकले और ये लाइफ लॉन्ग इस इंडस्ट्री में काम करते जाएं. That they have to be accepted, they have to be appreciated, and that is our only intention. तो हम इस फिल्म में जैसे कि कहीं ना कहीं बजरंगी भाईजान में भी हम बजट का सोच रहे थे कि बहुत वो बजट जा रही है, इसको कंट्रोल करो, ये करो, वो करो. इस फिल्म में हमने सोचा ही नहीं इस बात का, क्योंकि कहीं हमने इस फिल्म के अंदर बजट का सोचा या क्या एक्सपेंडिचर हो रहा है, इसको ये रीशूट मत करो, वो मत करो, इस जो हमारा इंटेंशन ये है कि ये 2 बच्चे आ जाएं. तो इट इज़ नथिंग टू डू विथ गोइंग टू द वो छोटा मोटा चीज़ ऑफ प्रोडक्शन झोल और trying to cut corners, etc. We just want these kids to be accepted, and we are trying and we are giving it our best shot, and all of us, and I think that you guys also, they're new, you guys also should, should help them reach where we want them to reach. After that, you will get your chance to pull them down. You all get. I still give it to you. I'm sure they will also. But right now, they need your support. सोचो, business wise सोच लो आप. You should pray that they become stars. As journalists, रोज सुबह शाम दुआ मांगो कि ये तो बच्चे आ जाएं. अगर नहीं आए, गॉड फॉरबिड, लिखने के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं फिर. There is nothing to write about. जब बिकेंगे ही नहीं तो लिखेंगे क्या आप? So जब बिकेंगे तो पॉजिटिव भी आएगा. छोटा मोटा खेल भी कर लोगे आप इन लोगों के ऊपर, फिर उसके ऊपर से अच्छा भी हो जाएगा इनका. फिर से चलता रहेगा इनका लाइफ, आपका लाइफ, सबका लाइफ. So right now we need all your support to see that these kids become like really, really huge stars. And they have the potential. When you see the film, you see the promos coming up now, you will see Atiya Shetty and Suraj Pancholi, Suraj Baba. Both have enormous amount of potential. Okay? Done? Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye. How was your drive here? Awesome. Huh? Jabardast.